Hello students, this is Dr. Rupali Sheikh from Huzur Paga Mahila Vanijya Mahavidyalaya. In this session, I am covering BBA first topic, that is Introduction to Cost Accounting System. In this chapter, I will explain what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting, what is cost accountancy, as well as the objectives of cost accounting and difference between cost accounting and financial accounting, as well as cost center and cost unit. Let us start with what is cost. What is cost? Cost refers to the actual or estimated amount of expenses incurred or to be incurred on a particular article or activity. Cost denotes the amount of money that a company spends on the creation or production of goods and services. It does not include the margin of profit. From the seller's point of view, what is cost? Cost is the amount of money that is spent to produce a goods or a product or a service. From the buyer's point of view, the cost of a product is also known as the price. This is the amount that the seller charges for the product. Let us start with the another concept which are included in this topic. What is costing? Costing is concerned with the method of assessing the cost of goods produced and services rendered at different stages of production process. What is cost accounting? Cost accounting is associated with the recording of income and expenses, determination of cost, preparing periodical statements and reports so as to present the same to the management of the firm to assist them in the decision making the process. So what is cost accountancy? Actual speaking, cost accountancy is the art and science. It is the basis application of costing techniques and cost accounting process in the business organization. Let us start with what are the objectives and features of cost accounting. This question may be asked at SPPU for long question answer session. It helps in determining of cost of production. It also helps to identify cost of batch, job, contract, department, operation, service, etc. and cost is identified with the help of methods in the cost accounting. Next, cost accounting helps in determining selling price of a product. So every organization determining selling price with the help of cost sheet. Another objective is cost accounting helps in identifying profit margin. Cost accounting helps in knowing unprofitable unit in the organization. Cost accounting is a tool in the hands of management to control the cost. Cost accounting also helps management to take various kinds of decisions with the techniques of costing, such as make or buy decision, export decision. It is possible with the help of marginal costing technique. So there are various techniques in costing by which the decisions are taken. Cost accounting is a better tool for cost comparison. Cost accounting is a better tool in the hands of management for reduction of cost. It also provides information for planning as well as control through the techniques of standard costing. It helps in presenting comparative data for different periods as well as for different units. For different units which are running on the similar nature, it is applied with the help of uniform costing. In nutshell, cost accounting basic objectives are computation of cost, reduction of cost, and controlling of cost. Now, let us understand what is the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. This may be also asked for long question answer session. So, what is financial accounting? Financial accounting is the process of preparing financial statements that companies use to show their financial performance and position to people outside the company. It also includes investors, creditors, suppliers and customers. What is cost accounting? Cost accounting is the art and science of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing cost with the objective of cost control, cost calculation, and projections, and cost reduction also, thereby helping management make prudent business decisions. So, cost accounting emphasizes on decision making technique. What are the objectives? Financial accounting objective is to find out profitability of the business, and the main object of cost accounting is to provide useful information to management. Nature. Financial accounting is based on historical records. Unless you are not incurring the expenditure and you are not showing voucher, you are not allowed to give the recording financial accounting. Cost accounting. It is predetermined cost determined for control and comparison. So next point is coverage. Financial accounting deals with entire organization. Cost accounting deals with expenses related to or identified with product or service. What is the scope? Financial accounting, it is related to all commercial transactions of the whole organization at a time. Cost accounting, it relates to particular product or service. Who are the parties which are interested? Financial accounting interested parties are stakeholders. Internal as well as external parties depend on financial accounting. Cost accountant is helpful for various levels of internal management for taking various kinds of decisions. Reporting. Reporting of financial statement are done normally in 1 year. So, cost accounting reporting is done weekly, monthly, periodically as per the requirement of management and nature of organization. Valuation of stock. Stock is valued at cost price or market price, whichever is less in financial accounting. Stock is always valued at cost price at cost accounting. Figures. Financial accounting deals with actual facts and figures, but cost accounting deals with estimated figures, which helps to take various kinds of decision, and budget is the example of estimated figures. Now, let us understood the concept of cost unit, meaning the Institute of Cost and Management Accountant London defines a limit of quantity of product or a service in relation to which cost may be ascertained or expressed. In short, it is a unit of quantity in relation to which cost is identified or computed. Let us have a look on various industries and their cost unit. Example, steel. What is cost unit? Per ton. If you are wearing you are shoes, it is pair. Sugar per quintal. Cable per meter. Cement per ton. Power kilowatt. So these are the various examples of cost unit. Another important concept is cost center, meaning cost center is defined as a location, a person, or an item of equipment for which cost may be ascertained and used for purpose of cost control. It is part of an enterprise to which cost may be charged. For the purpose of costing, it is beneficial and desirable to create divisions of an organization into subunits. Each subunit represents a cost center. So what is the use of this cost center? So the establishment of cost center is important because responsibility can be placed on a person who is held responsible for control of expenditure in his cost center. Cost center wise recovery of cost is also possible. Since costs are collected and accumulated in a cost center and distributed over the products for recovery of incurred cost. So, there are also various types of cost center. Let us have a look on types of cost center. First, there is personal cost center. A cost center which consists of a person or group of persons for which cost may be identified or ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. It is called as personal cost center. So administrative department, selling department where persons are working, that is personal cost center. Impersonal cost center. A cost center which consists of location or item of equipment or group of these for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. It is called as impersonal cost center. Example, machine, department, etc. Operation cost center. A cost center which consists of machine and or person carrying out similar operation for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control is called as operation cost center. Process cost center. A cost center which consists of a specific process or a continuous sequence of operation for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control, it is called process cost center. For example, at a sugar industry, each process by which sugarcane introduced in the factory and sugarcane is turned into the sugar, each process by which sugarcane processes, that each process is one process is called as one cost center. So cost center is essential for identification of a cost of a particular department or the unit in which it is incurred. So these are the references by which I have collected the data. Again, I am going to give a big thank you, and this topic is very much important to understand the concept of cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. It is, in nutshell, cost is actual or estimated amount of expenses. Costing is nothing but identification of a cost in a production or service cost center. Cost account is recording, preparing statements and reports. Cost accountancy is the art and science of taking the decision and controlling of cost. Also, we have highlighted on the objectives of cost accounting, as well as we have studied the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. We have also understood the concept of cost unit and cost center. So there is probability of having short notes and long answers questions on this topic. Thank you student for your patience.